All right, why not? If you only knew how many dirty brushes I have. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you love seeing what people spend their money on a Boxycharm pop-up sale, then boy, are you in the right place. Holy... Okay. If we can have a little chit-chat here. For those who support me and have been to my channel before, thank you. You know, I have a little bit of a shopping problem. I always tend to pick up products during sales, pop-up hauls, you name it. However, this is the largest, most money I've ever spent on a Boxycharm pop-up haul. Not gonna lie, I spent a lot. What is a lot, you may ask? Well, let's just say it is well north of $100. If I can remember, I want to say it was 129, 135. I can't remember. It's been so long. I will list on the screen at the end the grand total, and you'll be blown away at the MSRP value. All right, I digress. There's going to be a lot. I'm going to try to speed through it. I think I'm going to avoid swatches. Otherwise, we'll be here till next Thursday, and nobody wants to watch me more than 10 minutes, let alone that long. All right, let's dive on in. First off, I have a viewer. Should I name you? Who is lovely. I enjoy. She watches and comments on all of my videos and is very good to remind me when selection and choices are, I blame you for this haul. Normally when I do Boxycharm sales or pop-ups, it's when I go make my choices, then I just, do a little window shopping, grab 4 to 5 items. I hit the bare minimum for free shipping, like $25 or whatever. No. This person told me when the sale starts. For once, I actually was there in the morning. Normally, it's like after work, whatever's left. There were so many people on shopping that literally the website said, sorry, you're in a queue. We will let you know when it's time for you to join and do some shopping. And it took like almost 30 minutes. I kid you not. And then because of that, they told you only had 15, 20 minutes before you could make your sale. And I'm like, what? And their pages are so slow to load. Anyways, the type of shopper, I like put stuff in my cart, shop. And then when I go to check out, I edit, But because I thought they were going to boot me out, I don't know. I did a real quick, impulse purchase. I think I got 18, 20 items. It's a lot. Why am I rambling again? All right. You know who you are. I kid. However, I normally don't log on just to shop. By the way, this box weighs a ton. Let's get going. All right, first item is a lip balm in the shade scent Lychee Fruit. And this is from Honest Beauty. Next item, this is from Tula, and it is Courtney Shields, which is Glow Hour, a brightening and neutralizing eye balm. Oh, interesting. It's orange. All right, this will be my third one of these. I got one in pink, one in blue, and now one in orange. What else? Ooh, this is from Luxie. It's the GAEA. I don't know. It's a brush. No, it's a brush set. All right. And this Feels like wood handles. I'm a sucker for a brush. Next we have from Aesthetica, and this is the Pro Series Brush, Cleanser, and Conditioner. All right, why not? If you only knew how many dirty brushes I have. All right, next item. This is from Pure, and it is the Tone Up Total Eye Fitness. Are you really surprised I got another eye product? Ooh, this is beautiful packaging. This is a glass bottle. Got a nice seafoam jade green. Okay, I'm excited for that product. I love beautiful bougie packaging. What else? What is this? We have from the Creme shop, Cover Story. Shut up. A full coverage concealer? Yeah, I purchased, but memory, no bueno. I love concealers, I love foundations, I love when stuff is on sale. Particularly a brand you've never tried before. Usually not very good, but not too expensive in a pop-up sale to give a product a try. How cute is that packaging? There's a little smiley face. Let's see how good the shade matches. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Yes. Okay. Next item. It's a little squished, but it's from a good brand. This is from Elemis, and it is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Moisturizer? Yes. Elemis brand? Yes. The word glow? Hell yes. Alrighty. Okay, next item. What is this? We have from mystery brand Reema Beauty, and this is a Kajal pencil. I saw that and I thought, oh gosh, is it a lip product in a color I would never wear? Why would I buy that? Wouldn't be the first time I made an error. Ooh, interesting packaging. It's like hourglass, big. Oh, yes. Don't know why I'm smelling it. That's lovely. I hope it's good for the waterline. I'm on the hunt for something I can put on my top waterline that as I blink won't bleed down to my bottom waterline. If you know something, leave me a comment and let me know which brand and what it's called. All right, next item. We have from Maapilim, an eye cream. I actually already have this. I intentionally bought this again because I enjoy the one I already have. All right, what else? We have from LALA Beauty, Give Them LALA. And this is the Cushion Cream Lipstick in the shade Send Nudes. Yes. Okay, so we have from Hey Honey, the Toned Up Propolis and Echinacea Herbal Toner. I love a good toner. Next item. From Evian, I love bottled water. Just to, you're schwitzing, need to spray for the brushes. I refuse to pay full price for a bottle of water. So pop-up sales are great for snagging up said items at a really good discount. I also picked up this packet of cleaning wipes from AYAM Beauty Care. It's the Dead Sea Minerals plus Caviar. Really don't care about that. Makeup remover wipes are great for getting rid of swatches. That is the end of just stuff. On to the 6 to 7 palettes I picked up. Yeah, I told you, buckle up. This is a long one. Okay, again, from LALA Beauty, Give Them LALA, and LALA, I don't know, she's on something on Bravo where kids in a restaurant. I watch Real Housewives. I don't watch whatever show she's on. Vanderpump Rules, that's what it's called. Yes, lovely. Wygo Warrior friendly neutral palette, of course. You will see a theme here. All right, next is from Tarte, and this is the High Performance Neutrals palette. Look how pretty. This is like metal, and it's kind of like jungle theme. It's kind of iridescent. Could this be any more Wago Warrior friendly? I don't think so. Okay. Leave me a comment if you're still here. Next item we have is from Butter London, and it's the Teddy Boy 8-pan eyeshadow palette. Who wants to place a bet that this is going to be a neutral palette? Anyone? Yes, neutral. However, this is a tad more cool toned. So, you know, I like to mix it up a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, next item is from Haas Laboratories, which is Lady Gaga's brand, and I have yet to try something from her brand. What is lovely, I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. This is, I won't say three-dimensional. Of course it's three-dimensional. It kind of comes up to a peak here, so it's not flat. I'm sure you already have this palette and are like, yeah, duh. Ooh, okay, so this is what I will call an adventurous palette. Some of you are going to be like, it's neutral. It's very dark. So for me, this is adventurous. Okay, yes. In the neutral zone, however, for me, this is quite adventurous. All right, what else did I get? This one's big. I don't even remember ordering it. All right, so this, wow, is from Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and it's the Earth Hue palette. No mirror, but they are not lying. This is definitely an Earth Hue palette. Wow, look at all of those pans. It does look a little, I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, messy, maybe a return, I don't know. Okay, I saved the best for last. We have from OFRA Cosmetics, the Pro Palette. Yes, I love OFRA. Look at that. We got some neutrals, we have some highlighters, we have some blush, contour, and other deeper shades. I'm super excited about this palette here. All right, what are your thoughts? This is way too much. Normally this is where I would go, no, not gonna happen with 19, 20 products. I will fondly caress my new OFRA palette though. What are your thoughts? I'm gonna list on the screen the grand total and display the MSRP value versus what I spent. If I had to guess, I'm going to be so off. I would say there's at least a $600 value, I'm guessing, for the 130 whatever I spent. I will, during editing, be either like, yes, I'm such a good guesser, or like, oh, not even close. All right, let me know. Did you go as ham as I did? Do you have better self-control? This is not my normal. Usually 4 to 5 items. This was a lot. This was huge. But if my prediction is correct, I got a ton of really good stuff for a really good price. Let me know what I unboxed was like your favorite, what you were jealous, like, dang, wish I'd picked that up, or which was, it goes the other way. Let me know, like, Julie, why'd you get that? That's stupid or dumb. I don't care. It's all good. We all need to learn. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Don't forget to click the bell icon. And then this guy right there looks like that. You know the drill. And it would mean the world to me if you would hit that like button. All right. Thanks, everyone.